What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon. Welcome to Cryptoreviewcentral. I provide daily cryptocurrency videos covering a wide range of topics, from market analysis, price speculation, and all of the trending topics. You can find it all right here at Cryptoreviewcentral. Today we are going to talk about Stellar Lumens, with Bitcoin's recent pump and the disconnect that existed in the price of Bitcoin and the price of the altcoins was reduced in Bitcoin's recent move above 8K, bringing up most of the altcoins. One of the assets that did the best throughout this recent rise above 8K was Stellar Lumens, or XLM. 9 days ago, seeing an incredible pump with a recent partnership that brought them into major media publications radars that involved the exclusively Ripple buzzwords like cross-border payments. They also managed a listing on Huobi, along with Stellar also gaining mass appeal within the cryptocurrency world with the news that XLM may be listed on the Coinbase exchange soon. XLM also has the distinction of being the first cryptocurrency to receive the Sharia certification for transactions and the tokenization of assets. Let's have a look at the price of XLM along with all of this Stellar Lumens news. First up, we have the Coinbase announcement that they are investigating the use of Stellar along with 4 other assets. This is not a confirmed listing, but it's positive sentiment and operates as a full disclosure practice from Coinbase to the investors. Coinbase published a press release in which they explained that they were exploring these new assets to be added to their platform. The press release uploaded by Coinbase reads as follows. Today we are announcing that we're exploring the addition of the following assets to Coinbase: Cardano, Basic Attention Token, Stellar Lumens, Zcash, and ZRX. We are making this announcement internally at Coinbase and to the public at the same time to remain transparent with our customers about support for future assets. Following the Coinbase announcement is when Stellar saw the biggest pump, but then there's been another pump as of yesterday that is still continuing right now. It's somewhat been retraced, but pending any significant movement of Bitcoin or the rest of the alts, I do expect there to be a continued high volume in Stellar, higher than average. Going from an average of like $40 million in 24 hours, spiking all the way to $750 million, falling down now to $200 billion, but it's still significantly higher than it normally is. There's a really good article on usethebitcoin.com that goes over the partnership with IBM. IBM already being a pioneer in the business applications for blockchain. IBM is testing a stablecoin that will be running on the Stellar blockchain network. The senior vice president of IBM said that this is a tremendous opportunity to make blockchain payments feasible, especially for cross-border. What is great about this is that they are just basically digital dollars, digital fiat currency. Another development cited by this article is related to BitIRA, an exchange that is based in California. It was able to expand the virtual currencies offered, including Stellar Lumens, among some others. This is positive for Stellar because BitIRA has very strict security protocols and end-to-end insurance programs. So it really vets all the assets that get listed, and Stellar meets all of its requirements, which speaks volumes for the security of the asset. Next, we have TransferTo's cross-border payments using the Stellar framework. Under this agreement, the payment provider, TransferTo, will integrate Stellar's blockchain-based systems for more seamless and efficient cross-border facilitation services. Stellar has the capabilities to lower the cost, to faster transfer, and to bring more transparency by tracking all activities. TransferTo is an international remittance company that's utilizing XLM's framework for cross-border payments in 70 different countries. TransferTo offers a trans-border mobile facilitation system that connects banks, financial institutions, non-government organizations, and e-commerce merchants, as well as various money providers, including wallets and mobile payments companies. It's a really big development, and that is why Stellar got the recent pump that it got yesterday, along with the Huobi announcement. Just yesterday, it was announced that Stellar Lumens XLM is now on Huobi, and more possibilities abound. Deposits being available almost immediately, and as of right now, it has gone live, and you can see it under the Markets tab of Stellar. It's in the 18th position right now, already skyrocketing up to $2.3 million in 24-hour volume. The number one exchange is of course Binance with $58 million, and the Bitcoin pairing is the most popular. This is naturally very good for the asset as it expands the potential investor base. Crypto Briefing did a great article on Stellar going over all of the updates, talking about how Stellar is now being compared to XRP due to TransferTo's partnership, and how many green lights the XLM blockchain has gotten from various companies, IBM notably. While XRP, the currency created by Ripple, and Stellar's closest competitor, is still in regulatory quicksand. According to this article, the Stellar protocol has received several green lights in a row. Itbit, the leading over-the-counter market, recently received its BIT license from the New York State, and Stellar Lumens was one of the 4 approved cryptocurrencies. That doesn't necessarily clear the road for Stellar, but being granted one of the most often sought and rarely granted regulatory permissions is likely to reassure investors, and it has. A lot of people are very excited about the future of Stellar, including myself. New York wasn't the only government body giving a thumbs up. In last month's Global Blockchain Assessment Index, the Chinese government ranked Stellar as the 4th best blockchain, with high marks in technology and innovation. And if permission from the earthly powers weren't enough already, which is a little sensationalist in my opinion, Stellar seems to have supernatural approval as well. Bahrain's Sharia Review Board certified the blockchain and its native Lumens token as being compliant with Islamic law, a decision which could open the doors to markets previously underreached by cryptocurrency. Sharia law recently approved their members to participate in the cryptocurrency markets earlier on this year, and giving another green light to Stellar opens up again new markets. Lastly, let's head over to TradingView and see what the upvoted technicals look like. This chart here showcases not the best trajectory, but highlights how dependent XLM is on the rest of the market. Nothing strange here really. XLM has been mooning lately. Don't chase the green candles. After a sharp rally, there is always a sharp fall. Market is still unstable and secure. Don't invest your money hastily. Looking back at the chart, we can see a local double top with unfortunately a second peak at lower levels and decreasing volume. This is a bad sign. The RSI has negative convergence, which means sell, and it is quite high at this point. As you can see, that red line indicates the negative convergence on the RSI. The Weiss waves, after a long and relatively sharp green wave, we observe a much smaller one. We can now expect no demand and lots of supply. So the trajectory right now is of a continued retracement, pending any significant movement in the rest of the markets, pending a ballooning of either the market cap, Bitcoin, and or the altcoins respectively. I wouldn't imagine Stellar to continue to pump. It's gotten to the height of its price with all of the recent news, and until the rest of the market really balloons, I would expect it to follow suit with the rest of the alts. It was up over 12% at one point yesterday, while the rest of the market was just hanging on. Continue to follow our daily content on this evolving cryptocurrency space. I provide daily analysis as well as trending topics, so smash that like button if you've enjoyed the videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. We are giving away $50 in Bitcoin when we hit 200 likes on any video, so comment something of value along with your Bitcoin wallet address to get yourself entered. Thanks again to the CRC crew for your continued support. The bear market might just be over. Do all of your own research, and happy investing everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow.